This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautifully appointed home overlooking Norfolk's Hague waterfront. Enjoy amazing sunrises and sunsets from your front porch or your primary suite terrace. Extensive renovations were made to this home in 2015 while keeping many of the original architectural features, including approx 11 ceilings, original moldings, mantles, and 8 pocket doors, refinished pine floors, cook's kit, granite countertops, white cabinetry with eat-in sunroom and exposed brick. 2 primary suites, both with baths. All baths have been remodeled, including primary bath with quartz countertops, double sinks, walk-in shower, and LG walk-in closet. 3 ensuites. 3rd floor room with built-in cabinetry can be used as a library. Beautifully designed paver courtyard with built-in grilling station with refrigerator and storage. 2nd floor HVAC 2022. Flood-ins. $1,295 transferable. Fireplaces as is. For more information, review the details below.